The existence of UFOs, unidentified flying objects, is a controversial topic and there is no scientific evidence to prove that they are real. UFOs have been reported for many decades, and many people believe that they are evidence of extraterrestrial life or advanced technology. However, most reports of UFOs can be explained as natural phenomena, aircraft, or other man-made objects. Many experts believe that the majority of UFO sightings can be explained by known phenomena, such as aircraft, balloons, weather phenomena, or other natural explanations. The U.S. Air Force investigated UFOs in a project called Project Blue Book from 1952 to 1969, and concluded that the majority of UFO sightings were explainable as natural phenomena or man-made objects. However, some reports of UFOs remain unexplained and are classified as unidentified. There are also reports of close encounters with UFOs that include physical evidence such as damaged crops, radar and visual sightings, and even some pilots have reported strange encounters with unidentified flying objects while flying. It is worth noting that the topic of UFOs is a complex one, and there is much debate among experts about the nature and existence of UFOs. While there is no concrete evidence to prove that UFOs are real, the existence of UFOs remains a topic of ongoing research and investigation.